Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, today was a sneaker quest. Again, I think this is the fourth day in a row that I've gotten the sneaker quest. Let's go ahead and do the rewards. I am in gold 2. I am naturally now in gold 3, just under gold 2. So with my rentals, it got me up into gold 2. So let's go ahead and claim it. And then we'll show the numbers. And the price increase in the DEC payout has helped tremendously because as I did have to rent today, and I'm just below what I started out at yesterday. So probably about 15 battles today, 15 to 20. I'll be able to get all my DEC back from my rentals that I'm renting, not renting out. I'm actually right now, I don't think I'm renting anything out. Okay, there, I thought it was going to work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 7. So this is gold 2. It's a little bit better than gold 3. Not a whole lot. That will help pay for my rentals today. No more DC. A rare card. That's nice. And that's a good common. I've got him maxed out in gold and regular, and I use him all the time. So, the sneak attack, that was helpful today. But he's easy to max out, very cheap right now. I think he's a penny or two for the common, and the gold is like, it used to be 50 cents. I don't know what it is at the moment. But all right, so that's not the greatest of pulls today, but I'll take it. Let's go look at the numbers real quick. Splinterlands at 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. 527 on a Friday. I started January 2nd on this. This is the rules. So a year from that date is when I'm hoping to be at the 10,000. I'm not close yet, but because of the way the market's plummeted, I think I'm still in good shape to get there. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. This is day 147. I've bought a total of 129 packs, and I was keeping track of every little thing I spent, but what I wanted to keep track of was the money that I put in out of pocket. And so I was right around 500, give or take a few dollars. So I just started at 514, and every other day I put in $10. So it's a natural DCA, dollar cost averaging technique, and I'm lucky I did, because if I spend all that money here, my prices would have plummeted. So as the market fell, that $10 kept its buying, and actually it was increasing in buying value as I was able to buy some really good deals. So tomorrow I'm going to add the $10, even though I'm going to put it in today after the video, so I get that free extra SPS bonus. And then for the next 2 days, so it'd be 854. So right now, out of pocket, 844. Started keeping track of the numbers on February 7th, and that's when I started making the video. And I got the value of the set, the cards, PowerPoints, SPS, and profit. And you can pause it on any day and see what my numbers were at and how they fluctuate. It's a very volatile site, very volatile. But generally, I'm moving in the right direction, even with the markets plummeting. And let's get all the way to the bottom, which is today, May 27th. Asset value 995. Just 2 days ago was my all-time asset value high. 156 cards, 5228 in the box. But look at this. Every day it's been a record since I changed my strategy to renting. All I wanted to do was rent cards out and buy. It horrified me to rent cards because I felt that was money I could buy cards with. And that's true. But I think renting a little bit of cards, it's gotten me up into gold. And I've been able to maintain my DEC or increase it, which is good. So it means it's not costing me anything. So it kind of equals each other out. And so a little bit of balance across the whole platform has been better strategy instead of just concentrating on anything. I can always start renting out again all the way down to bronze if that's what I to choose. And the rental prices aren't incredibly fantastic right now anyway. So anyway, this number is 143,220. Um, that will be every time I put in the $10, it jumps about 3 to 5,000, depending on what I purchase. $92 worth of free SPS. That was from an all-time high of 110. That's very volatile. Uh, they're dropping every day for the rest for another 60 days for a total of a whole year. Depending on what this number is, the 143,220, your collection power is how much free SPS they'll give you. So, of course, the higher your number is, the more SPS you get. I'm getting about 10 SPS right now. They're about a dime. So that's about $1 a day in free SPS. But when I joined, it was a quarter, and it has an all-time high of 80 cents when it first came out. So it's at an all-time low. And so you're hoping this number just really only goes up eventually, and that's going to multiply big time because I got about 1,000 something SPS right now. So my profit as of today at this moment, because this fluctuates all day. I mean, I could look at it 4 hours from now and I might have $200 profit or a $280 profit. But I got to, I take a snapshot usually right when I get done doing my quest. So $243 profit, and I still got 1,645 DEC left. Okay, and I'm stockpiling those to rent, but what I'm not using gives me more SPS because they put this into this number to figure out how much to give you. So very good strategy. I'm very happy with it. That's what I'm sticking for. I'm currently not buying packs because the value of the packs that you're getting out of it wasn't matching what I was paying for it, unless you got something really good, and that's hardly, I was buying one pack a day just for the video, but I'm going back to packs. And the good thing is I've been winning a lot of potions. So I got a lot of that's one potion per card. So if you open up a pack, 5 potions each, because this is gold and that's legendary, and it increases your chance. So I'll use 10 packs. I'll use 10 potions per pack. So that's saving me. That's money right there. So let's go look in the shop. Let's go look at the nodes. The packs are down to, where are we at? 450,000 left until the next airdrop, and a total of 6,500,000 left until they're all out. They dropped a tremendous amount of packs this time around. There's my free SPS. I have 1,016 of them. I'm staking them also. I've got 4.224 vouchers. One I sent to Hive. I was going to try to sell it, and I haven't gotten back over there. I can't find it, to be honest. I got to go figure out where it went to and try to sell it because they're kind of high right now compared to what they were. And here's my rewards updated by the minute for staking. So I'm getting about 1 SPS a day from that, maybe 3/4. So let's go look at the nodes. They just dropped these 2 days ago. And they sold out on the initial pre-sale. And that was $1,500 plus pretty much $1,500 worth of vouchers if you had it. But then they opened it up to here, and they had 3,000 in this one, and it's $3,000. And there's still 2,600 left. So they've sold about 329 to be exact, in the second run. I'm hoping this doesn't sell too quick because you can't use them until the end of the year, and you got to get a special program that they'll send you and download it. So I don't know if you got to get some special equipment. I've only got a Chromebook, so I don't think that's going to cut it. But I want to research more. But what I'm hoping is that this will pop my SPS will pop, and I can use, because you got to buy it with SPS, and then I could use the SPS to buy one of these at 3,000, because once it leaves this, it goes up to 5,000, and then the rest of these are $10,000 each, and there's only 60,000 that's ever going to be available. So if I don't get in on here, I'm probably going to miss out on it. Um, and you won't even be able to profit from it until the end of the year anyway, when they implement it, and that is if there's not a delay. So you really got to think about that if you're going to plop down a lot of money and not get any returns for a while, probably for another 8 months, maybe even a year, depending on how it goes. And they could always do it early, that's a possibility too. um, there's nothing in the specials going on. In the land, we're still waiting for it to where you can buy and sell on the platform. Right now, you can go buy it on Hive or the Atomic Network, and but the land, you're going to be able to craft items and do spells cards if you own that land. I got to get land. In fact, I'd rather have land than the nodes. I'd rather have both, but if one or the other, I would pick land. And here is where you can buy potions. Um, they keep doing away. They have every now and then they have you can buy with DEC a potion that will help you get more chest. I don't see that there. It pops in and out every now and then. I don't know what's going on with that. So let's go look at my numbers. Here's Peak Monsters. Let's refresh it, see if it's gone up and down since I looked at it 5 minutes ago. It's pretty much stable at the moment. And what did it just do? Why did it do that? Okay. Actually went down a couple dollars, 9.93. It kind of popped yesterday and the day before. It's kind of nice. But so this is where I get my numbers from. And these are different. This is going to be a little bit different because I opened up the chest. So there's Splinter Cards is another site you want to go to. That has a lot of data and information to help you. But I think that's it for today. Let's go motivate my affiliate marketer. Wrong one. Let's go affiliate. There it is. And I don't know if he joined through the video or he joined through my promotions on my website and other sites. If you take this URL and it's got your name embedded in it, it's at the top of the affiliate program, and you copy it and copy and paste into, you can go to like my site, ProAdvertisersClub, and advertise it for free. I'm already advertising on it, but more the better, no big deal. Or any site like mine, or you can mail it to a friend or a family, say, hey, join this underneath me. You're going to get 5% of everything they purchase. So he's Ronnie 500. If you're watching, keep going. Good job. He's almost out of bronze or bronze 3. It might be. I don't know. I have to go look at the numbers. But he's been slowly but surely building up his rating. And he did purchase some potions, it says. And that's what I got 5% of. So it wasn't very much, but it's awesome. And if you have any questions, or if, like I said, I don't know if you even know this video exists, but if you are, watch on YouTube. There's a whole bunch of YouTubers that will explain you how to battle, play the game. I'm still in the learning process. I've gotten a lot better over the last 4 or 5 months, but you're going to find, like I have, it's an incredible game. Absolutely. Splinterlands is doing everything on all the other platforms that I'm on, that I want them to do. Rent, burn, be able to invest, play on it. The list just goes on and on. And all these other sites, they're in beta and nothing's going on. All you can pretty much do is buy and sell. And on some of them, you can't even sell. And on some of them, you can't even take your money out. Like Vivi is the biggest example. They're now, to be fair, Splinterlands gets to just concentrate on their game, where Vivi is doing worldwide implication type platform. What they got going on there right now isn't even the main goal. It's just a side thing with the collectibles and the comics. So it's going to it's going to take them a lot longer to implement it and get it running the way that they're saying they want to do it. So just going to have to be patient. But Splinterland's already there. And they're the first ones with the nodes, which the more I read about it, it's giving more power to the players. There's two things now that I know of that they've given to the players to make money off of, and all they get is a percentage, like a 5% maintenance fee, pretty much, is which they have to run the thing. So the nodes is one where you're going to be able to generate passive income, and the other one is the development of cards on your land. Okay, uh, they will not make the cards. They will not produce them and put them in packs. Only players who own land can produce them, and so that means a player's got to go to another player to get it. That's something they could have done themselves and made a lot of money on, and they gave it to the people, type thing. And yeah, and renting's passive income. You got that. Buying and selling in the market, they take their 5%, but they can rent also if they wanted to. What I'm trying to say is the node and the card, the spell cards and the production cards, those three things only players can make and develop. So uh, it's incredible. I'm absolutely very excited about this platform and look forward to what's coming up ahead. So please like and subscribe. Join any of the links below. It really helps me out. I got a ton of links down there on platforms you can get free crypto, which you can then use to buy stuff on here if you want to, or you can send it to a wallet to save. Um, yeah, just look down the list. And remember, this is not financial advice. It's entertainment purposes only. Listen to me at your own risk and have a nice day.